Hello and good evening from here. It's past 8 p.m. Norway time, and it's 4th of April. This is how the weather: gloomy, cold, and windy. Still more snow on the top of the mountain. Ayan. So this is the beauty of Norway. This is beautiful place to relax after work. You have nothing to do inside the house, so I always go out and get some fresh air, enjoy the beauty of nature. Ayan, so ito yan. Ang ganda ng paligid. It's so peaceful. It's really relaxing to be here. The weather is gloomy. Waiting for the sun opening for coming days. Magkaroon na kami ng sunrise and sunset. But for now, this is how the weather look like. And I love to sit here and watch those birds. The birds, look at that. They're trying to catch some fish for their food, for their dinner. Oh, see? My finger is freezing. It's cold. I don't have my gloves for this time. So this is I can say, and see you guys. See you next time. Thank you again for the support, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.